Hello and welcome to the Birst How To series. In this video we'll be connecting to files in two different ways. The Birst Quick File Upload allows you to upload files through the browser. The max size is 20 megabytes and it is meant for casual data usage. For larger files you have the Birst Connect 2.0 file connector. It requires the Birst Cloud Agent and it enables you to schedule data refreshes through the modular prep page. Let's go through the process of using files for our data source. For the files example, I'm using the Infor Birst Essentials guide and the data files that go with that. If you want to do the same, you can get the files from the Infor Birst Community. Link is provided in the description box below the video. So we start by creating a space. I'm going to be creating a professional space because that's what the Infor Birst Essentials guide is using. But of course, files as a data source work perfectly fine also for enterprise spaces. I'm calling the space Movies, as it is in the guide. First, we'll use the quick upload. So from the top of the page, I'll click Browse Files. You can also drag and drop if that's what you want to do. So my first file is movie titles. I'll just click on that. Whatever your data source is, Birst will show you a preview of what you're importing. If you want to get rid of a column, you can just uncheck that. We'll need all three, so I'm going to keep it in my data import. On the bottom of the screen, you have shortcuts to the different steps in the Birst data prep process. You can skip a step and have Birst do the work for you. This works only for files. It does not work for databases or cloud applications. Have fun trying out the different options and seeing what Birst comes up with in terms of your data. I'll go directly to prepare so that you can see every step of the process. Here we have the first file available in our space and we can now continue importing the second one. For that I need to have the Birst Cloud Agent up and running as I'm using a large file. There is a video about the Birst Cloud Agent installation in our video library. The next step is getting the data in the correct place for uploading. I'm in the Birst Cloud Agent installation folders and the file needs to go to the Files folder. This is the location the agent uses to access the files. Let's go back to the portal and then from the top I'm clicking on Prepare and choosing Connect for the next file upload. And in here we're now using the Files option. You give it a name, then you need to select the agent, Show Online Agents Only. My agent is on the top. We'll go back and it's telling us or reminding us again that you have to put the file in the Files folder in the agent installation path. So all is good with that. There is only one file, so that is what we are importing. Once the file has been uploaded, you can actually see a preview of it. So everything is checked. If I want something out, I'll uncheck it, obviously. Again, we'll use all of it. So we'll click on Done and we'll import my files. And when we're importing, we're actually copying the data from the data source into the Birst staging area in the Birst Cloud. The data has been uploaded, so we'll go to Prepare again. So we have the file we just brought in, the movie ratings, and then we have the movie titles that we imported using the quick file upload. You saw two easy and quick ways of importing data from files into Birst. Thank you for watching.